And good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another driving session here with my motorbike in Chiang Mai. So we see here we are in Thailand. Here on the left you see Chiang Mai, the city, and I'm moving the map a little bit here to the right, and you see the track where we're driving today, which is basically in the middle of the rice fields.
Gotta run from here, gotta go, gotta find a way. Do I deny, do I defy my heart, knowing this ain't my place? Gotta run from here.
It is currently 7 o'clock in the morning, sun just rised up and temperatures are quite mild. It's very nice, about 20-25 degrees, and we're driving now just here below or between the rice fields and some farming villages. It's really nice and cozy.
Taking that leap, make a choice, set a resolution. Gotta run from here, gotta go, gotta find a way. I did deny, I did defy my heart, finally changed the game. Gotta run from here, gotta go, gotta find a way. Hey, you don't have to know my reasons, but I feel it strong. You don't have to brand my nation, but I want it gone. It's
And currently we don't really have a lot of traffic, so it's really nice here a little bit outside of the city. You have not a lot of traffic, especially in the areas where the rice fields are and the small farming villages. In the city, in Chiang Mai, there's quite a lot of traffic, especially at around 7 o'clock. But now here outside, it's really nice. You don't see many cars or motorbikes, so it's really nice to just drive around and relax and enjoy the environment.
gotta run, run, gotta run, run, gotta run, run from here. But I want it gone, it's now or never. But I want it gone, it's now or never.
You see, the sun is still very low and the sunbeams shimmer through the trees, which gives a really nice feeling here. And on the left side you see a big wide rice field. On the right side some trees with rice fields. So need to drive a little bit slow here, the car in front of me. It's beautiful when you watch here left and right with the rice fields and the water in the rice fields and the sun reflecting in the water. It's absolutely gorgeous.
You blow my mind, and it would be kind of a groovy story if you wanna be my midnight mover. You wanna be my midnight mover. You wanna be
Once you're you're in the city, you realize how many people are bringing their kids to school. You see the motorbikes everywhere and the school buses, but here outside you usually just have songtails, which is like a pickup with some seats in the back, which come and pick up the school kids. So you basically have one car, they drive around and pick up the school kids, and you don't have so much traffic here, but in the city it's completely full. Now look at their right and left, so beautiful the rice fields here. And I really like it in the morning, the temperature is really perfect. You can drive around with a pullover and short pants, and yeah, as I say, the temperature is always perfect during this time in winter time, in cold season. So in hot season you already have about 30 degrees in the morning at 7 o'clock, but right now it's really perfect.
Free all the pieces of your mind, facing the fact that I'm your sign. Hey, let's walk this way. This party will rock every minute.
A little bit stop here. So I think I'm gonna finish now this part of the video and continue with the next one. I really hope you enjoyed that video, and yeah, if so, just let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.